Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be turning myself into a sexy Santa. I really don't like saying that out loud. I just thought it was a good title, but it feels weird to say that out loud. But anyways, we're gonna do my hair, my makeup, my nails, because they need done desperately. And, of course, the outfit. And once I have transformed, I'm gonna play a little game of Would You Rather, so that's gonna be a grand old time. So come along kids, let's get this video started, shall we? And by the way, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the Swole Squad. Let's do this. Okay, you guys ready for the grand reveal? Here it is! So, what do you guys think? I feel like I did pretty decent. My nails, let's not talk about those. The makeup, this was supposed to be red, but I feel like it looks more pink. Don't you guys think it looks more pink? I don't know. But the dress is so cute, right? I love it. Let's get into this Would You Rather, shall we? Can I sit with you? Can I sit there, please? Can you make some room for me? Look, it's like a Christmas card. This is legit a Christmas card right here. All right, bye, Sook. So, I told you guys on, should I put my arm here? I don't know. I'm gonna put my arm here. Is that okay? I told you guys to ask me on Instagram and on the community tab some Would You Rathers. So let's see what you guys asked me. This belt, I cannot breathe wearing this belt. Oh my God. Whew. All right, let's check this shit out. Oh great, my phone's on 1%. Would you rather marry Greg Doucette or Callie Muscle? Well, guess I'm marrying my dad. That's not awkward. Would you rather have all the money and power in the world but be depressed, or live paycheck to paycheck, not able to splurge at all and be happy? So I feel like I'd obviously rather be happy, because at the end of the day, I feel like your mental health is more important than anything. Even that sweet, sweet cash, baby. So I'm gonna go with the second one. Would you rather hear your thoughts spoken in Dr. Greg's voice or Tennyson's? That's a good question. I feel like on one hand, if it was Greg's screaming voice, that would motivate me like all the time. Like, could you imagine if you're being lazy and you just heard work harder than last time? That would be motivating. But on the other hand, I feel like Will's voice is very soothing. So then if I was like stressed out and I needed that soothing voice, I'm gonna go with Will. No offense, Doc. Would you rather take another week of cold showers or 10 sets to failure of bent over rows every day for a week? Well, I kind of already take cold showers, so I'm gonna go with cold showers. Would you rather delete? I cannot breathe wearing this belt. Hold on, I need to take this bitch off, or at least loosen it a little bit. Okay. Whew. Oh my God, that feels better. I don't know how y'all wear those whack-ass waist trainers. I don't know how y'all do it. Would you rather delete your YouTube channel or never be able to drink alcohol and never be able to date a guy in your life? Definitely the second one. Nobody and nothing comes between me and my babies. If I deleted my YouTube channel, I wouldn't be connected with my babies. The alcohol, the men, they come and go, but the YouTube, that's always here for me. Would you rather only have Dr. Greg's cookbook or training book? I already have his cookbook and I like it, so I guess I'm gonna go with the cookbook. Would you rather every shirt you ever wear be kind of itchy or only be able to use one-ply toilet paper? The second one, because I feel like you could bunch up the toilet paper, you know, this kind of thing. So that fixes that problem. Would you rather chill with demons or chill with aliens? Aliens, because I feel like they'd be dope. I don't know. I don't really have a reason. Would you rather live your entire life in a virtual reality where all your wishes are granted or just in the normal real world? I feel like a virtual reality, because then I could wish for anything. Would you rather lose your eyesight or your hearing? Oof, that's a tough one. I love music a lot. If I couldn't hear music, I would be very sad. So we're gonna go with eyesight. Although I'm very thankful for both, I'm so thankful for both. Every time I think about that, I'm like, okay, be thankful. You know, because you don't realize how much you take that for granted. Oh my god, has my little booby been popping out? I hope not. Would you rather have your breath smell like a bad fart or have your laugh sound like a fart? Definitely the first one, because you could just chew gum. Problem solved. Would you rather never watch YouTube or never listen to music? Oh, that one's really hard. YouTube and music, my two loves. I feel like I would rather never watch YouTube because music is my heart and soul, man. Would you rather give up eating your favorite food for the rest of your life or never listen to your favorite artist again? Once again, we're gonna have to go with the first one. I can't go without listening to my favorite jams. Would you rather be smart but a total jerk or really sweet but dumb? I'd rather be really sweet but dumb because I feel like the most important thing is how you treat other people. And if you're a jerk to everybody, that just says a lot about you, man. Says a lot about you. Would you rather go on your dream vacation and the weather's terrible or live in your dream home but your next door neighbor is annoying as fuck? That's a tough one. I mean, I feel like if the weather is terrible, it's not my dream vacation. My dream vacation will consist of nice weather. So I think I would rather go on my dream vacation because at least you would deal with the temporary terrible weather. But if you had an annoying neighbor, that shit's almost permanent, you know? Unless they move. Hopefully they would. Would you rather run on a treadmill or run outside? Definitely run outside. I like being in the mother nature, the fresh air. Would you rather eat top ramen or cup of noodle? Top ramen. Or wait, do you say ramen? Ramen. Hey, we're all the same at the end of the day, right? No matter how we pronounce it. Would you rather have a husband who is hot as fuck, strong jawline, 6'4", that makes 7 to 8 figures a year, or have a personality that has a horrible personality, and is plain, that has the most compatible personality? I'm kind of confused. I don't know if this is 3 questions or 2. I feel like it's 3 questions, right? I don't know, I'm sorry, man, I'm kind of confused. Definitely not the first one, because I've said this before, I don't care how cute you are. I don't care how much money you got. I don't care if you got that chiseled ass jawline, baby. If you treat me like shit, none of that matters, okay? And for my girlies out there, I just sounded so country. Why did I sound? Oh my god, my Ohio accent just came out. It came out to play. For my girlies out there, follow my lead, please. Don't put up with anybody that treats you like shit. And for my boys out there, for my girlies and my boys and all my babies out there, don't put up with anyone that treats you bad, no matter how much they love that chiseled ass jawline. Well, I guess it doesn't say that he's treating you like shit, but it says he has a horrible personality, and I feel like that would mean he treats you not very well. This just got complicated. If your personality sucks, I'm probably not gonna have fun with you, and I like to have a good time. Let's go with the most compatible personality. Alright, moving on to the Instagram. Well, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, now's the perfect time. My name on there is @Mama Swole. Would you rather go to a concert / fun event or train at the gym? Definitely a concert. I haven't been to a concert in like a year at this point, and I really want to go to a concert. So yeah. Would you rather never listen to music again or never see colors? We're going with the second one. Would you rather drown or get electrocuted? Oh my god, that's terrible. I don't know, that's a tough one. Probably the first one. I feel like it would be not as bad. I don't know. Eliminate Halloween or Christmas? I'm sorry, Christmas. I'm sorry, Crimbus. As much as I love you, I love Halloween so much better. That's my favorite holiday of all time. Ever since I was a wee little kid, that's my favorite holiday. Eat foods you eat but be healthy, or eat anything you want but you have every health problem? First one, because health is wealth. Health is up there with music and with how you treat other people. That's like one of the most important things. So yeah, definitely the first one. Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you? I'd rather date someone who loves me, because if I was dating someone I love and they didn't love me back, that'd be miserable, man. I just need a cheerleader. I need a hype man that treats me like a queen. If I was dating someone that I love that didn't love me back, I don't think they would treat me like a queen. Get fat or shrink 3 inches? I feel like I would rather shrink 3 inches, even though that would be hard to reach everything. But like, I've been at a weight that I didn't prefer to be at before, and I just didn't feel good. So I'd rather be shorter than not feel good. You feel me? Eat a jar of peanut butter every day or take a shot of oil every other hour. Yikes, those both would suck. Okay, but what kind of oil? I'm gonna go with the oil. If you ate a jar of peanut butter every day, I would hate peanut butter. And like, I love peanut butters. I wouldn't want that ruined for me, you know? Build your dream home with no gym, or dream gym with no home. Dream gym with no home, because I could just live at the gym. There you go. Problem solved. I'm such a good problem solver. Pizza or burgers? It's gonna be tough. I'm gonna go with pizza. I love me some pizza. Would you rather fist fight 2 raccoons or 20 ducks? Oh shit. 20 ducks would take you down, man. You'd be way outnumbered. It's better to be fighting just 2 of something than 20 of something, I feel. No matter what it is, right? Well, maybe not. But yeah, I'm gonna go with the first one. Would you rather eat pasta or sandwiches for the rest of your life? Probably pasta. I have a thing for pasta. Would you rather know when you'll die or how you'll die? Oh god. I guess how? I don't want to know when. Well, maybe I do want to know when, because then I could like plan my life accordingly. Maybe when. Would you rather fight 105-year-olds or 5 100-year-olds? Oof. 105-year-olds sounds like my personal hell. So I'm gonna go with 5 100-year-olds. If you were reborn into a new life, would you rather live sometime in the past or future? Definitely the future. I'm not going to the past, no thank you. Would you rather lose an arm or lose a leg? Oh, fuck, I don't know. I love doing leg day, so I guess an arm. Monkey or monkey? Let's go with the second one. Would you rather never have to wait in traffic again or never have to stand in line? That's tough. Probably traffic. Traffic is rough, man. Hey, someone who's perfect except they're always screaming or just a jerk. Okay, that one's kind of hard. Someone that's always screaming, that would suck. I don't know, man. I don't want to date a jerk. They would make you feel like shit all the time. If someone was yelling, you could at least like put cotton balls in your ear and hopefully that drowns out the sound. I guess I'll go with that. That's my answer. Would you rather eat like Coach Greg or Remington for a day? I think Coach Greg. Drink a pint of Rocky Mountain Bear shot or drink the spinach tequila smoothie again. I don't know what the first one is, but it sounds terrible. But that spinach tequila smoothie, oh my god, that was awful. So the first one. Would you rather use a waist trainer or bitch mittens? I just got done talking about waist trainers. That's funny. Oof. Oh god, both are so bad. I think bitch mittens. I can't even breathe in this belt. How do y'all breathe in those goddamn waist trainers? I don't get it. Well, that's all the questions, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. I hope you enjoyed this little game of Would You Rather. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Shout out to these patrons. If you would like to support me on Patreon for just 2 smackaroos a month. Just 2 of them. Then you can click on the link in my description. And now I have a question for you guys. Would you rather eat chalk or eat cement? What would you guys rather? Comment below and explain why. I expect a full, let's say like 4 paragraphs, MLA format please, sources cited. Comment below. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good ass day.